Welcome to basic flight training. Before we let you anywhere near the enemy, we must go over some basics. We'll also cover a few things you cannot learn from books. First, let's go over the controls. Those things on your wings are called ailerons. They're used to roll your plane by moving the wings up or down. Great. Now let's return to level flight. Your elevator is the next control surface we'll go over. Watch how your altitude is decreasing and your speed is increasing. Now level the plane by moving the elevator in the other direction. Remain on present heading. Turning the aircraft is slightly more difficult. Roll the plane with the ailerons first, then pull on the stick to move the elevator. Your plane's airspeed is mainly controlled with engine thrust. Cut the power to 30%. In order to stay in the air, try to compensate for lost power by descending with the elevators. Now increase power and level your aircraft. However, even full power is sometimes not enough. That is why you have War Emergency Power, which gives you a temporary boost. Continue flying on WEP. Increase airspeed using WEP. Now your engine has overheated and can no longer operate at WEP. Try not to overheat your engine in flight. Another important control surface is the rudder. It's used to yaw the plane, or turn it left or right. Return the rudder to neutral. Loud and clear. Now we'll learn to climb, which is rather important in a plane. Pull the stick towards you. If the climb rate decreases, increase power. Great. Always try to stay above your opponent. Altitude advantage is crucial in combat. A dive is the opposite of a climb. Push the stick forward. This causes you to descend while your airspeed increases. Now level the plane. You're flying fast enough to try the next maneuver. A loop is a more challenging maneuver for a beginner. To execute a loop, pull the stick all the way towards you and engage WEP. Great job. You seem to know what you're doing. Congratulations. You passed this stage. Let's move on to the next one.